In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WhatsApp screen sharing. If you've ever needed to walk a friend through settings, demo an app, or show a document from your phone, this feature makes it effortless. Start by opening WhatsApp, heading to the chat of the person you want to share with, and tapping the video call icon. Screen sharing is available during a live call, so you need to be connected first before you can share your screen. If you don't want to appear on camera, you can turn your camera off after the call connects. The screen share will still work just fine. Once the call connects, tap anywhere on your screen to bring up the call controls. These controls hide automatically to give you more space, so a quick tap is all it takes to make them reappear. Next, look for the screen sharing control. It typically looks like a small phone or display with an arrow on it. If you don't see it right away, tap the three dots. More options menu. On some devices, that's where the screen share button lives. The moment you find it, you're one tap away from sharing. Go ahead and tap Share Screen. Your device will show a system prompt asking you to confirm. On some phones, it says Start Now. On others, it says Start Broadcast. This message comes from your phone's operating system and is simply reminding you that anything visible on your display can be shared during the call. Confirm to begin, and you're live. From this point on, everything shown on your phone screen is visible to the other person. That includes your home screen, app switches, and anything you open while sharing. As you navigate, keep in mind that notifications and pop ups can appear, so it's a good idea to close unrelated apps beforehand or temporarily mute notifications to avoid distractions. A solid internet connection will make your shared screen look smoother on their end, and speaking clearly while you tap through steps helps the other person follow along without confusion. Use your phone as you normally would. Open a photo, scroll a web page, or demonstrate a setting, and the other person will see it in real time while continuing to hear your voice. If they need a closer look, pause briefly on important screens to give the image a moment to sharpen on their device. And that's it. Open a video call, bring up the controls, find the screen share button, confirm the prompt, and your display is shared. With these basics, you can explain, troubleshoot, or present right from your phone using WhatsApp screen sharing.